Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for joining me here today. We are located at Hobbs State Park and we are going to do a solo overnighter. However, you do have to backpack in. This isn't car camping. So come along with us on this adventure and see what we can find. Welcome back. I have found Bushcraft Gold right there. Look at that. Found a small piece of heartwood right there. Smells like turpentine. Yeah, heartwood. Bring that back to the campsite. Thank you for sticking with me on this adventure. Got about a mile left till we get to our campsite. I'm pretty sure they're going to be open. There's 5 different campsites. When I looked online, it looked like each one had multiple spots where you could set up a tent. Now I did check the logbook. There is one person ahead of me. They started their hike about an hour before me. So I'm pretty confident we should be able to get a campsite, at least 1 of 5. I'll bring you back when we get there. Oh, look at that knot. So I just ran into the gentleman that had left the trailhead at 2 o'clock. He was going the opposite way. Good part about that, he's going ahead and cleared out all the spider webs for me. And I did the same for him though. However, he did say campsite 3, 4, and 5, there's nobody in. So I guess it's all ours. Well, we made it over to campsite 2. Take a look at this for you. You got these little pads here for you. You got a grill. Place to hang your lantern, because that can't be no bear bag hanging. That's way too close to camp. However, I don't like to see this. There's eggshells over there, eggshells over there, eggshells over there. Come on, guys. Let's leave no trace. Thanks for sticking with me on this adventure. I have made it to camp. We have set up the tent right back there. Sleeping bag, sleeping pad, all the goodies stuffed in there. Got the fire going. I'll stoke it here in a little bit. I went ahead and collected some firewood. Don't want to be up all night burning wood, so just collect a little bit. And I also cooked supper. I made backcountry red beans and rice. How about that? You can eat good out on the trail. Alright, thanks for sticking with me. I will bring you back if anything interesting happens tonight. But looks like we'll be hiking out of here early in the morning. I've got to meet a good friend at the next trailhead. We've got another 9 miles to hike. Have a good night. Good morning, YouTube. It's just about 7 o'clock. Got the coffee made, breaking down camp. Gonna get ready to hike on out of here after I finish my coffee. Got a whole nother trail to go do. But we do appreciate you tuning in to Ozark Adventures and Reviews. If you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. 1.6 miles to go.